Wolmer's girls and St. Jago High boys walked away winners of the 15th staging of the St. Jago one-day volleyball rally held recently at the school ground. Wolmer's girls prevailed against hosts St. Jago girls by 2 sets to love to win the final.
Always look forward to this. The level of play is usually much higher than this, but I know because of the hurricane that passed through early in the year, that has really hampered a lot of preparation for persons. So this tournament serves as a development tournament. So coaches can get a chance to see their athletes, to where they're at, what they need to work on, what they need to sharpen up in terms of going into the competition. So it's something that we look forward to each year.
Well, I've seen improvement, especially in my team, the girls. There's an improvement in the girls' team.
Meanwhile, Immaculate Conception High retained third place honors and shared that prize with Camperdown High.
This competition is really important because it will show us where we are for the upcoming season. And I really think that this competition will give us the confidence that we need to push throughout the season.
Boys side, St. Jago came from a set down to beat Papine High by 2 sets to 1. And last year's being finalist Wolmer's boys, they ended third.
All of my volleyball, the male team members are here, but I can see that the camaraderie and the experience and the togetherness of the teams, you can see that persons are enjoying the afternoon and they are gaining experience.
Competition this year is pretty good, so no weak teams per se is here, and we're hoping that we can go all the way. The Jago Rally is one of those that really sharpen us before we get into the final aspect of our training program.
There was an increase in the number of schools which participated. 15 girls a team and 14 boys teams from 18 schools entered the rally.